Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. Today I'm excited to announce that the Divi Table of Contents Maker is now fully compatible with Divi 5. We've spent the last year completely rebuilding this plugin from the ground up, so now it will work. Whether you're continuing to use Divi 4, that's okay, that it'll still work as normal with the same file. It can also be used if you want to migrate to Divi 5, and it will also work perfectly out of the box on a fresh Divi 5 site. So that's pretty much it. It's going to work exactly like it was before because this was an update to the foundation. It's like completely new plugin, and we've ensured everything will continue to work for you. Now, I do have a new interface that I want to show you for the Divi 5 version. So here's the blog post. You can go down here and read about what I just told you. Then we do have this link to our blog post and video about the new interface. I suggest checking that out. So it's really simple. There's one page in our interface. Now, all of our plugins have this new interface. I'll show you that. And well, here I'm in a different plugin. Well, you can kind of see how some plugins have settings, right? So like this is our new Divi content Divi dynamic content helper update, and there's all these settings, right? Now, the thing about the table of contents is all of the settings are in the module. It's in the Divi builder. So there's no settings that you need in the back end here, at least at this point. So this is what I mean. This is the overview. Here's the welcome. Here's your resources. Now, some of these resources, when you click, like for example, this one goes to the changelog. That's this same tab that's right here. And then here's a feature request form. You can submit feature ideas. Here's the license key page. And then these links are going to be external. Go to our community and documentation and support. And then this goes to like our about page here. So you can go back to that by managing there. And then overview. So all of our plugins will have this overview and then these. And then other plugins like I showed you, like the Divi Dynamic Content Helper, other ones like that will have settings tabs on the left side. But this plugin doesn't have any other ones. So it will continue to work exactly like before, but this is only in Divi 5 here. Now, of course, you can make any kind of design that you want. Here's some examples that I made, just some really basic, like I'm starting to use this one in some of our docs. Just had to style it a certain way to match our site. You can totally do whatever you want. So as you probably already know, so this is just an update. Of course, you can go check it out. I updated the product page. I'm putting like if it's compatible with Divi 4 and 5. I'm trying to make that clear. Now, some of the screenshots are going to be outdated, like on the product page. I'm not sure what to do about that. I'm going to have to figure something out with that. But we might be in a little period of two worlds of Divi 4 and 5. But the same file, that's kind of the key. The same file now works for either. So it should be good. Hope you enjoy this. We are going to be announcing a lot more plugins, and we've already announced some meaning compatible with Divi 5, and there will be some new ones as well. But a lot of, probably by the end of the year here, most of our plugins will be Divi 5 compatible, and that's kind of our goal. So, all right, I'll see you in the next one.